In this short video, I will show you how to download and install the JellyWatch app to your Android TV even if you do not have Google Play Store app installed. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So what you have to do is on your Android TV, go over to your browser or your search engine. I'm using the Google search engine because it works on my Android TV. If your TV has an Android operating system, then this should definitely work. So just go over here and search JellyWatch app. So you just type in the name application, the JellyWatch. Here's it over here, and you are going to see a result like this. So as you search for the application, this is what you are going to get. And here's the application here. This is going to work. Just click on it once and then you're going to get the install button. Now, if your TV has an Android operating system, then I believe when you'll be able to install the application, the interface will change to your TV as long as it's an Android TV. If it doesn't change, then the application cannot work on your Android TV, and that's not something I can control. But if you come over here, just click on install and start installing the application straight away to your Android TV. Once it's done downloading there, it's going to install. Now, if for some reason that first option doesn't work, you can always look for third-party sites like this to install the same application. Even though I do not 100% guarantee that third-party sites will work, but they can do the work as long as you don't use the first option. But for me, the first option is the best, and that's why I will recommend it in this video.